akong i-discuss about weighted mean GWA. So kani akong mga subject na is on my subject. Either first sem, and then mo na akong subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kabuok units. Yeah, ani sa each unit sa component maggamit tulo. So mo na siya tulo duha na. And then mo na akong final grades. And then in order nga actually siya total ang unit. Ato ni total lang unit. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 20. Units. So what in order nga makuha na itong x, w is ato siyang i-times na sila. So i-times na to ang grade into sa units. So 1.4 times 4.2 tapos 8.4 yeah 1.8 times equals 5.4 and 1.1 times 3 is 3.3 and then 1.1 times 2 equals 2.2 and then 1.2 times 3 equals 3.6. Yeah, 1.9 times 3 is equals 5.7. Then 2.0 times 3 is equals 6. So ato na siya i-add guys. I-add din natin siya. So ang formula na to kay mo na siya kani tapos x copy rin na to w ato i-add siya kanan total na to. So 4 plus 8.4 i-add ito siya guys ha. Sige guys i-add ito siya ang x over yung
Kaya sila, first you're going to get the mean. So in order to get the mean, first
38. So ang atong total diri sa x w is 38
divided by
So mo ni siya ato ang guys, ang ato ang consider man ang formula. So ang formula na to is w x tapos i-copy rin siya. So ato siya i-divide, we're going to divide it. So 28.8 divide 23 is equals to
we're going to get
6 is equal to 1.6 tapos mo na siya itong GWA guys. So that's all.
Good day guys, my name is Daniel Romano, partner of Gabriel Quezon. So this time I am going to compute the rate of my grade in the first semester. So first we just add this column mean is equals 11.2. So to get this column, we will just put the formula. Mean is equals summation of x over n is equals the summation of x is 11.2 over n. So so to get this column, we're just subtracting or minusing the 1.7 minus 1.6 is equals 0.1. And then 1.9 minus 1.6 is equals to 0.3. 1.6 minus 1.6 is equals 0, and 1.4 minus 1.6 is equals negative 0.2. Same 0.2. 1.2 minus 1.6 equals negative 0.4, and 2.0 minus 1.6 equals 0.4. After this, to get this column, you will just divide this column itself, or square root, or 0.2 squared. So 0.1 minus 0.1 is equals 0.1. And 1.3 times 0.3 is equal to 0.9, and 1.6 times 0 times 0 is equal to 0, and negative 0.2 squared is equal to 0.4. Reminder, if we are going to transfer this, the negative, we will convert as a positive. So, say 0.4, 16, and 0.16. And we will just total this equation is equal 2.12. Next, we will just solve the standard deviation to get the variance. So the variance also. So after we get this column, we're just copy the total over, and after it 2.12 divided 7 is equal to 0.30. So after you get this 0.30, you're just putting square root. So the square root